Now, I am a skeptic about this one because why would you mix water-based with an oil-based? Well, let's find out. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lydia Ashley, reviewing hair products that you can make yourself. Today, we are reviewing this leave-in conditioner. Let's get started. This was a recipe that I found, and I'm kind of skeptical about it because it has shea butter in it, and shea butter definitely makes my hair feel sticky. But I've actually added Amla Powder. Amla Powder is known to condition your hair. So since this was a leave-in conditioner, I thought I would add a little powder to it. So I am spending a few minutes here mixing it up because the shea butter has solidified since it was left in the fridge for a little bit, and I just want to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed well together. This actually smells like shea butter, obviously, but have you ever heard of whiskey cheese? It smells like that. You can find that at your local Kroger or Ralph's if you're on the West Coast. But I've tried it and I actually don't like the taste of the whiskey cheese because it actually tastes like shea butter. Not that I eat shea butter or something, I just kind of accidentally know how that tastes. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Not that I eat shea butter or anything, it's just, you know how you could assume something tastes the way it smells? That's what whiskey cheese tastes like. Alright, so we're almost done stirring here. Okay. For presentation's sake, I'm going to transfer this into a smaller container. Be right back. So in my recipe video, I showed you how to create this, and you can find that video in the cards above. I've transferred it into this cute little container, and it looks like Dijon mustard. So let's see how it feels. It's very smooth and creamy. And it's a little grainy because all of the Amla powder didn't strain out, but that's okay. I'm not too worried about that. But if you do decide to create this, make sure you strain out the Amla powder. You might not want gritty hair. Anyway, so I'm going to apply this to my ends and see how they compare. So, me and shea butter have a weird relationship. It makes my hair feel sticky. I know this is a leave-in conditioner, and I actually have just finished washing my deep conditioner out, so I will put this in my hair. So here we go. I'm just gonna smooth it around in my fingers and start with my ends. Oh. This feels really smooth. I like this. Wow. I was not expecting this. Okay, let's use some more. I believe the coconut oil is what is making the shea butter pliable. Usually, you know, shea butter is really thick and kind of hard to... Shea butter is usually kind of hard to grab if you're trying to get it out of its original container, but the coconut oil actually helped soften the shea butter, so that's awesome. I'm kind of finding it hard to, I guess, run my fingers through my hair because I My hair's probably drying since I've washed it last. I'm gonna go to the other side. Now, usually oils and water don't mix, and aloe vera, I tried to make a juice out of it just by blending the pulp and hoping that the gel and the pulp would blend together and make it more liquefied. So that's why I was concerned about adding aloe vera juice or gel to the oils. But I'm seeing now and remembering that aloe vera is a humectant, which will attract moisture to your hair from the air outside. And I believe this leave-in conditioner is supposed to also act as a humectant, of course, to leave your hair moisturized. But I also feel that by creating this product, we've basically submerged the oil into the aloe vera. I guess it kind of just does what any store-bought leave-in conditioner does. Just makes the product more creamier. I know I used to use Cantu, and it definitely stopped working for my hair, and I don't use it anymore. But this feels nice, I like it. So here are my final thoughts. Shea butter is good. Coconut oil is good. Adding coconut oil to shea butter smooths the shea butter out, but adding the aloe vera to the oil creates a problem. Now we have to worry about preservatives and shelf life. I actually went out and purchased the aloe vera that I used in a previous video probably 2 or 3 days ago, and when I cut into this aloe vera, it actually started to smell a little sour. And I'm wondering, why is this going bad? Well, there was too much moisture attracted to the leaf, and that caused the leaf to start disintegrating on the inside, I guess. So I suggest, if you're going to make this leave-in conditioner, please make it the day of or the day before you're ready to use it. And if you're going to use it more than once, try to find a preservative to keep this alive just a little bit longer. That's all.